Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The present writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India calls in question the policy of the state government in regard to allocation of industrial licenses and the consequential rights arising out of such franchise. Full stop. The petitioners submit that they were subjected to a stiff competition where certain private entities possessing greater financial clout were given preference in violation of equality principles enshrined under Article 14. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that with the emergence of liberalized economic policies, allocation of resources must be transparent. Full stop. The arbitrary practices complained of could not be remedied by departmental instructions and judicial intervention is warranted. Full stop. According to them, large corporations have established a grip over industrial projects, sidelining the claims of small entrepreneurs who equally possess the necessary intellectual capital. Full stop. The state, on the other hand, contends that industrial growth has substantially contributed to the gross domestic product of the nation and that the policy framework must be viewed in a larger context. Full stop. It is urged that new opportunities in the energy and manufacturing sectors have created a thrilling environment for investment. Full stop. The government asserts that every applicant who suffered any prejudice has been adequately compensated under law. Full stop. The court has carefully weighed the pros and cons of the rival submissions. Full stop. It is recognized that economic diversity is essential for sustainable growth and that the exclusion of the so-called creamy layer is a constitutional necessity while formulating welfare schemes. Full stop. However, industrial policies must conform to the established norms of fairness. Full stop. It was pointed out that several hydroelectric projects, fertilizer units and steel plants had been awarded to companies with a strong metallurgical background, yet without a level playing field for others. Full stop. The apprehension expressed by the petitioners cannot be brushed aside. Full stop. Judicial review, though limited, is available where arbitrariness takes roost. Full stop. The record shows that a fresh round of allocations had commenced but was stalled midway due to premature closure of the process. Full stop. Such abrupt action is described by the petitioners as lousy administration. Full stop. The state submits that in view of practical difficulties, continuation was unlikely. Full stop. This court is mindful that unchecked discretion can become a curse for democratic governance. Full stop. Policy formulation must draw from multiple disciplines of law, economics and social justice. Full stop. When rules are changed too frequently, predictability and fairness are lost. Full stop. The principle of consulting stakeholders before framing final rules has not been followed in the instant case. Full stop. Citizens should not be compelled to trudge from one office to another, seeking relief which ought to be available as a matter of right. Full stop. Government halls of administration must reflect transparency, efficiency and accountability. Full stop. Where resources are to be allotted, the state is under a constitutional duty to act in a just and non-discriminatory manner. Full stop. For the reasons recorded herein, this court holds that the impugned policy decision is vitiated by arbitrariness. Full stop. The matter is remitted to the competent authority for reconsideration in light of the principles set out above. Full stop. The writ petition is allowed. Full stop. No order as to cause. Full stop. सो ये डिक्टेशन थी हमारी पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट स्टेनोग्राफर एग्जाम के लिए। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल। बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।